Today's video we're going to look at cropping a video or image, whatever you want. So if you haven't got Clipchamp installed on your computer, go to the link in the description and you can download it from there. It may already be installed on your computer if you've got Windows 10 or 11, I think it currently is. So if you go to create a new video and import media, navigate to wherever your media is. So if I drag this video down onto timeline, I can go up here to crop, and then I can pull the sides in, or top or bottom. So if I tap on the tick, I can always undo, revert to original, or tap on done. So now I've tapped on done, I've got the option there to fit in the middle of the box on the top, or go to more. I can flip horizontal or vertical, picture in picture, so I can position it into whatever position I want. I've got more options there. I can fade in, fade out. So if I collapse that by tapping on the right hand side and just reduce the navigation bar on the right, I can position that more in the middle. Then I can go to import media and I can import the beach and drag that down and have the beach there. So as the video plays, if you haven't got a background that you can think of, like, you can always go here to the content library. You might be able to find something in their backgrounds. There you go. Got all these different types of backgrounds in here. And then when you're ready, you can just tap on the export at the top there. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe.